Okay, I will not use all the deck of cards, I will use only a part of the deck like this. Okay? Please, pick up one card, any card you want. Look and remember this card, show to everybody. Remember it, this is very, very important. Okay? I will put this card, 9 of hearts, very, very clear, in the middle of the pack like this, very slowly. And now, all these cards inside the box. Please, hold firmly here, firmly, good. And now, the power reaction rating is very, very important. Remember the card, relax the pressure, watch. Wow! One card, only one card is up, nothing. Please, take out the card. Examine the card, nothing. Put it on the table. Take out all the cards and examine the cards if you want. Yes? You can see them, nothing?
Nothing.
Nothing. Yes. And when you finish, I have time, put them on the table. And now examine the box inside, nothing?
Nothing.
Can you believe this?
No.
Thank you.